Alright guys, so this is how I've been wearing my hair for the last couple months. I have not been braiding it, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna go ahead and comb my hair straight back, and I'm going to put it in a low ponytail with a braid at the end. So, oh, it's feeding time. 1 second. So I'm going ahead and I'm putting down this low ponytail, and I'm just braiding down the braid so that the hair is not really that bulky in the back. And after that, I'm going to go ahead and apply my cap. So lately I have not been doing a dome cap for the past few months because I haven't been doing a bald cap method because I feel like it pulls my edges out. So I did go in with my edge control, and I'm just slicking down those sideburns because they tend to show even underneath the cap. So I just slicked them under my cap and I applied some makeup. And now I'm going to go ahead and begin to place the wig. This is the wig, y'all. This is a 30-inch wig. The curls are so pretty. Everything looks so good and it looks beautiful jet black. So now I'm going ahead and I'm just fixing the wig onto my head, making sure placement is good before I do any cutting. Make sure the placement of your wig is correct and it looks nice and it's aligned with your hairline. So I'm just going in with some scissors and I'm just going to be cutting off around the ear tabs. And then I'm going to go ahead and make sure everything looks good before I begin to cut off my extra lace. Y'all comment down below and tell me what y'all think about my makeup today. I took my time on my makeup and I think it looks so pretty. So now I just flip down my lace and I put some clips. I'm going to go ahead and go in with my lace glue, and I'm going to be adding 2 thin layers of this glue. Now that I finished my first layer, I'm going ahead and adding my second layer. Once my second layer fully turns clear, I'm gonna go ahead and begin to apply my lace. So one thing I will say is this lace is very, very thin. So for future reference, if anybody does order this hair, make sure you guys don't apply the glue too wet because it does seep through. So now I'm going in and I'm just laying down the lace above the hairline and onto that glue. And y'all, everything looks so pretty. Like, this wig is so pretty. I love it. Okay, I can't wait for you guys to see the final tutorial of it. So now, just to give it a better melt, I'm going in with my Slickum Spritz, and I'm just going to be tapping some of that along my hairline, and then I'm going to put my melt band on and let it sit for a few. Alright guys, so now that the baby hairs have finished drying, I'm now going to go ahead and begin to start my baby hairs. I'm going in with my baby hair brush, and I'm just going to be parting out the baby hairs that I desire. After that, I'm going to go ahead and cut them and then begin to curl them and get them to slick. I am also going to be using my baby hair glue. So continue to watch. I'm going to just skim through this part because I always show my baby hairs. So as you can see, I'm just skimming through the baby hairs. Y'all, the baby hairs are coming out so nice and pretty. These are by far my best baby hairs in a very, very, very long time. just a line right here. Like, it's gonna be like a mid ponytail, not too high, but it's gonna be like a more of a slick back type of thing. So yeah, I'm gonna use my wax stick and I'm gonna part out the side. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And then I'm gonna hot comb it down for now, just to separate that. Oh, my hot comb is off. All right, well, when it cuts back on, press it back down, and I'm just going to part out this, and then I'm going to do the same to this side. Alright, so I flat ironed the top part already, so now I'm just taking my hot comb and I'm doing the last part, which is the front piece, and I'm just flattening that straight down. So now that my hot comb's hot enough, I went ahead and just press this side out the way. And I'm just going to give it a nice comb through. And then I'm going in with these black rubber bands. And I'm just going to take 3 of them. So now, this is the first ponytail. And I've got it to the flattest that I like. So my milk band is on pretty tight, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. And the edges are given. Now I'm gonna go ahead and hot comb both sides, and once I hot comb both sides, I'm gonna go ahead and connect them. So I'll come back on camera when it's time to connect. So the style that I'm trying to do is not really, that's not how I've seen it done. I didn't ever seen it done. So the way I was trying to do it is not working. So now I'm just gonna recreate. So now I'm going to be taking all 3 and connecting them into the ponytail. And then the way I did it, you can't even tell. I think I did it pretty good to where you can even tell that it's been like added into a ponytail. I'm so tired. So now I'm gonna take some hair to hide the rubber band. I'm gonna take some hair from the back. This is actually not really the look of what I was going for, but this is fine. It's close enough. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and go wet it, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is the final look. Alright, so I got a little bit of water on my shirt, but this is how the final results is. Now I'm just gonna do like some slight touch-ups with my got to be spray. And then I'm gonna take my comb and just push this up. Any little flyaways or anything like that, I'm pushing that up. I am wearing 30 inches of curly hair. If I'm not mistaken, this is deep wave, but if I'm incorrect, the correct texture will be listed down below. But I just wanted to show you guys, I'm wearing hair from Ali Pearl, and I just wanted to show you guys some of the goodies that they send. They send you a really nice edge brush. They send you like a little instruction thing on how to take care of the hair. They also send you a scarf and a cap, a pair of lashes, a little band, and a pair of lashes. So, and also they send you a silk scarf. So make sure you guys check out Ali Pearl hair. So far I am loving the hair. I love how the hairstyle came out. I did bleach the knots on the hair, which they were very easy to bleach, and the knots are very nice and tiny. The only thing that I did have to do, another thing that I did do is I dyed the hair jet black, and I just did that just for my own preference. That's why my hands look like this. I did it last night, but you guys, like, I love the look. So yeah, make sure you guys check out Ali Pearl for some bomb affordable hair. I am loving the look. Thank you guys so much for watching.